Hi children, good morning to all. Today we are going to see our PA2 revision video. Okay pa. So in our PA1 we write the exam up to chapter 4 exercise 4.1. Today we are going to see from 4.2 to chapter 6.2. Some important sums only I am doing revision. Okay ma, you have to do the revision at your home. Right. See, in 4.2 we have seen the shortcut method of multiplications. How we can do the multiplication shortcut by 5, 25, 125 and 625. For example, 5 means how we will do the multiplication in shortcut method. See, exercise 4.2. I will do one sum only for example. Shortcut method. 1325. So 1325 into 5. So 5 means it's a half of 10. 5 means it's a half of 10. So that's why we are going to divide that number by 2 and also add 0 to in the ones place by divided by 2. So what will come? We divided means 6 2s are 12, remaining 1 is there, again 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So the answer is 6625. Shortcut method of 5. Likewise, shortcut method of 25, how we will do it? 6,89,003 into 25. See, 25 means it's a quarter of 100. 25 means 1/4 of 100. In 100 you have 2 zeros. So that's why you have to add 2 zeros to the question. Okay, 2 zeros. Then we are going to divide this number by 4 because 25 is a 1/4 of 100. So that's why I am dividing by 100. In 6 one time, 1 4 is 4, then 7 times it will come, again 2 4s are 8, again 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20, 0 we cannot divide it 0, then 7 times it will come, 7 4s are 7 times, then 5 4s are 20 again. So the answer is this much. Okay, so likewise you have to do the shortcut of multiplication. Likewise, you know how you have to multiply the multiply by 125 and 625 also, isn't it not? Yes. Then in exercise 4.3 you know we saw the simplification sums, isn't it not? 4.3 simplification sums. That simplification, you know the rules according to the board mass rules only, how to use the simplification. What is the board mass rule? B means bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and finally only have to do the subtraction. These are the steps for board mass rules. Whenever you are doing simplification sums, you have to use these steps only. Okay kana? See, I will do one sum. For example, C1, 8,000 divided by 40 of 20 plus 750 divided by 150 minus 6. Okay, see, in this sum you have all operations, isn't it not? In this sum you have all operations. First we have to do bracket. In this sum, do you have any bracket? Is there? No bracket. So leave it. Then off means it's a multiplication. So again I will write the next step. First I will clear that off. 40 into 20. Off means it's a multiplication. Then plus 750 divided by 150. 750 divided by 150 minus 6. Then we have to do the division here. Listen. 8000 divided by, here how many times it will come Kanna? 750 divided by 150. How many 15s are 75? 750 divided by 150 again. 750 divided by 150 minus 6. Here 2 4s are 8. That means 800 plus. Then you clear here. 8000 divided by 800, how many times it will come? If you divided this 8000 by 800 means 10 times it will come, isn't or not? 750 divided by 150 means 5 times it will come. Then minus 6. Then afterwards the next operation is addition. 10 plus 5 15 minus 6. What will come? 15 minus 6, 9 is the answer. 9 is the answer. Okay Kana? I will write this sum here one more time because board is not clear. Listen, this simplification sum again one more time I will do here. 8000 divided by 40 into 20 plus 750 divided by 150 minus 6. So according to board master rule, first if you have any bracket you have to clear the bracket, but here no bracket. Then next step, if you have a half means you have to clear that half. See here you have a half, that means 40 into 20. 40 into 20 plus 750 divided by 150 means 5 times it will come, is it or not? Then 40 into 20, how many times it will come? 4 2s are 8, 2 zeros are there. Then again you have to divide it. So 800, how many times you can divide the 8000 by 800? 8 times. 8 times it will come? 10 times. How many times it will come? 10 800s are 8000. Then plus 5 minus 6. So 10 plus 5 15 minus 6. So 15 minus 6 9 is the answer. So likewise only have to do the simplification. Okay pa, right. And in the same Roman, in the same exercise you have another one kind of simplification. And that kind of simplification you have 2 types of brackets. The 2 type of brackets, you first clear the innermost brackets. First you have to clear the innermost bracket, then only you have to clear the outermost bracket. Okay pa? Otherwise the remaining steps are same only. First you have to clear the bracket, then of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay Kanna? Then in exercise 4.4 we have seen the all 4 operations word problems: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division sums. In 4.5 we have seen the average sums. One more time I will remind the average sum, how we have to do the average sums. Exercise 4.5 kana average sums. finding average. How you have to find the average? See, the average value of a number of quantities of the same kind is the sum divided by the numbers. Suppose they are giving find the average. They gave some numbers. Find the average. Find the average and they will give some numbers. Rupees 15, rupees 12, then rupees 18, rupees 17 and rupees 13. Okay, so average means first you have to find the sum of these numbers. Sum means you have to add, is it or not? 15 plus 12 plus 18 plus 17 plus 13. Then you have to divide this sum by how many numbers they gave? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to divide by 5. Okay, pa. Then sum of the numbers are 75 comes. So 75 divided by 5. You have to divide this 75 by 5. So how many times it will come? In 7, 1, 5 is 5. Remaining 2 is that 25. 5 times it will come. So rupees 15 is the average money. Rupees 15 is the average. Okay, Kana, how you have to find the average? First you have to find the sum of details. What are the details they will give? Money or weight or runs, anything, any detail they will give. No, you have to find the sum of the numbers. Then you have to divide the how many numbers they give, you have to divide by that number, means you will get the average of anything. Okay, ma. Then so 4.5 is over. Then 5.1. In 5.1, factors and multiples. 5.1, factors and multiples. In a factors and multiples, in exercise 5.1, they will give some 1 marks, fill-ups also. So you have to revise that fill-ups clearly. Because 1 marks also they will ask by this fill-ups. So dash is a factor of every number. Which is the factor of every number? 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Then what is mean by prime number? What is mean by composite number? Prime number means only it has 2 factors. What are the factors? 1 and a number itself. 1 and the number itself. So only it has 2 factors, means we are calling it a prime numbers. Composite numbers means, what's the meaning for composite numbers? Composite numbers has more than 2 factors. Composite numbers has more than 2 factors. That means minimum 3 factors it has. Okay, Kana. Then what is mean by which is the only even prime number? Which is the only even prime number? Means 2 is the only even prime number. Which is the only even prime number? 2 is the only even prime number. Remaining prime numbers are odd numbers only. Remaining prime numbers are odd numbers only. Because 2 only has only 2 factors, 1 and 2 only. Is it or not? So that's why we are calling 2 is the only even prime number. Then 1, what about 1? 1 is a prime number or composite number? 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, because 1 is the smallest number. At least prime number has 2 factors, but 1 no. 1 has only 1 only. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, pa. Then the multiples are infinite. Multiples are infinite. Infinite na enna? முடிவில்லாதது. நம்பர்ஸ் அப்படி கண்டினியூஸாக போயிட்டே இருக்கும். இன்ஃபினைட் மீன்ஸ் முடிவில்லாதது. Say the last multiple of 5. Is it possible? 5 ஓட last multiple எது சொல்லுனா முடியுமா நம்மளால? முடியாது. Because it is infinite. INFINIT, infinite. Okay. So multiples are infinite. Then that you know. Then common multiples. How you will find the common multiples? How you will find the common multiples, Kanna? Suppose they are asking the find the common multiples of 2 and 4. How you will write? First you have to write the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Likewise it will go, no? Then write the multiples of 4. 4, 8, then 12, 16. Likewise it will go. Because multiples are infinite. Find the first common multiple. They are asking first common multiple. See, 4 is the first common multiple. Suppose they are asking find 3 common multiples, means first multiple is 4, second multiple is 8, then third multiple is 12. So we find the first 3 common multiples. Therefore, common multiples, CM means common multiples of 2 and 4 are, what are the common multiples? 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12. Likewise, you will find the common multiples. Okay. Then find the factors. Find the factors of these number. How you will find? Suppose they are asking to find the common factors. So how we will find the common factors? For the same number, I am going to find the common factors. Okay. So first I am finding the factors of 2. What are the factors of 2? 1, 2 is 2. Because 2 is a prime number. That's all. These are the factors. Then finding the factors of 4. What are the factors? 1, 4 is 4. Then 2, 2s are 4. That's all. It has 3 factors. Now, we have to write the common factors. What are the common factors? 1, 1. Then 2, 2. So, common factors of 2 and 4 are, what are the common factors? 1 and 2. Okay, pa. How we have to find the common factors? First you have to find the factors of 2, then you have to find the factors of 4, then you have to compare the factors, then circle the common numbers and write the common factors of the both numbers. Okay? Do you understand? Right. Then you have to know the divisibility rules already, isn't it or not? Do you know the divisibility rules or not? Then before that you have to know the co-prime numbers. What is mean by co-prime numbers? 2 numbers are said to be co-prime if one is the only common factor between them. One is the only common factor between them. Now I find the common factor for 2 and 4, but these numbers are not co-prime numbers because it has 2 factors, common factors, but 1 is the only one common factor, means that 2 numbers are, we are calling it a co-prime numbers. For example, co-prime. What is mean by co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers is enna? Now we are comparing any 2 numbers and that 2 numbers having 1 is the only common factor between them, we are calling that kind of numbers is a co-prime. Okay. For example, 8 and 9. What are the factors of 8, ma? Factors of 8 are 1, 8 is 8. Then 2, 4s are 8. Then 3, 4, 2 4s are 8, 5, 6, 7, that's all. Then what are the factors of 9? 1, 9 is 9. Then 3, 3s are 9. That's all, no? Any remaining factors are there for these numbers? No. So what are the common factors between 8 and 9, ma? Look at the factors, find out the common factors. See, 1. Here also 1. So remaining any other factors are common? No. So that means the common factor is only 1. So likewise, if we compared any 2 numbers, between that numbers only 1 is a common factor, means we are calling it a co-prime. You are calling it a co-prime. Do you understand? புரிஞ்சிருச்சா? ஏதாவது ஒரு ரெண்டு நம்பரை நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது அந்த ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு இடையில இருக்க ஃபேக்டர்ஸில் ஒரே ஒன் மட்டும்தான் காமன் ஃபேக்டராக வந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த நம்பர் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? co-prime. Okay, in your exam they will ask, write two pairs of co-prime, means you have to write like that number. Okay pa? Then what is mean by twin prime? What is mean by twin prime? Twin prime na enna? Listen. Twin prime means two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are known as twin primes. Twin prime na enna means அப்படினா co-prime ல நம்ம ஏதோ ஒரு ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு இடையில இருக்க காமன் ஃபேக்டர் ஒன்று மட்டும் வந்துச்சுன்னா அதை co-prime னு சொல்றோம். For 8 to 9 எடுத்துக்கோமே, இந்த ரெண்டுமே prime நம்பர் கிடையாது இல்லையா? பட் twin prime ல we have to compare the two prime numbers only. 3 also prime number, 5 also prime number. So between these prime numbers, the difference is, whose difference is 2 means we are calling it a twin prime numbers. See, difference na நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்? இது ரெண்டையும் சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணனுமா? 5 க்கும் 3 க்கும் இருக்க டிஃபரன்ஸ் என்ன? 2. 5 minus 3 2. So 2 prime numbers க்கு இடையில இருக்க டிஃபரன்ஸ் 2 ஆ இருந்ததுனா we are calling it a twin prime number. Do you understand? So 3 and 5 is one pair of twin prime number. Then say any other prime number, 11 and 13. 11 and 13. 11 also prime number, 13 also prime number. See, the difference between 11 and 13 is 2. That means we are calling it a twin prime. Okay. Then 5 and 7. 5 also prime number, 7 also prime number. What is the difference between the two number? Difference is 2. That means that pair also twin prime numbers. In your exam they will ask like that also. Write 3 pairs of twin prime numbers. Okay, so you have to know. Then divisibility rules. So whenever you are doing division by 2, what is the rule? 2 means in your ones place you have the even numbers. In your ones place, if you have a even number means that number will be divisible by 2. What is mean by 3? Divisibility rule for 3. 3 means sum of the numbers. Say 612. Divisibility rule for 3. So how we can find out without actual division using the divisibility rule, how we can find out this number will be divisible by 3 or not? First you have to find the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3 means the whole number will be divisible by 3. Okay, what is the sum of the digits? 6 plus 1 plus 2. So 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. That means yes, the whole number will be divisible by 3. Okay kana? Then divisibility rule for 9. So 9 means same like that only. Okay, so for 9 also, sum of the digits divisible by 9 means the whole number will be divisible by 9. 502 plus 2. So what will come? 5 plus 7, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. So 9 also divisible by 9. That means the whole number will be divisible by 9. Okay Kanna? Right. What is the rule for 4? Divisibility rule for 4. See, I will take the same number 612. Whenever you are doing divisibility rule by 4 means you have to take the ones place and tens place together and divide that number by 4, this number will be divisible by 4 means the whole number will be divisible by 4. Okay, 3 4s are 12 la. So that means this 612 is divisible by 4. Okay Kanna. Then divisibility rule by 8. Divisibility rule by 8. What is the rule? Divisibility rule by 8. See, 8, 79,512. See, rule for 8 means you have to take the ones place, tens place, 100 place number together and divide that number by 8. This number is divisible by 8 means this whole number will be divisible by 8. Okay, so how many times it will come? 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48 amma. So 48 remaining 3, 4 8s are 32. Yes, that means this whole number will be divisible by 8. Okay. Then 10. What is the rule for 10 Kanna? 10 means in your ones place you have zeros only. In your ones place if you have 0, then that number will be divisible by 10. Then what is the rule for 7? What is the rule for 7? 7, see. Example 3248. Here what you have to do? Take the ones place number, double that number. That means you have to multiply that number by 2. Now you can get 60 na. Then take the rest of the numbers, 324, and you have to subtract this number from this rest of the number. 324 minus 16, what will come? 308. Then you divide that number by 7. 308 divided by 7. So 4 7s are 28, remaining 2, again 4 7s are 28. Yes. So this number will be divisible by 7 means this whole number will be divisible by 7. 3248 will be divisible by 7. Okay pa? Then what is the rule for 11 Kanna? Rule 11. See, 93,808. You have to mention the places on the top digits, odd, even, odd. First you have to find the odd places, sum of the odd places. Sum of the odd places are 9 plus 8 plus 8. What will come? 25. Sum of the even places. Even places are 3 plus 0. So 3. So now we have to find the even places. This digit is even places is equal. Find the difference between them. Find the difference between them. 25 minus 3. Sum of the odd places, sum of the even places you have to find out. Then we have to find the difference between them. So 25 minus 3, 22. The answer is divisible by 11 or 0 means definitely this number will be divisible by 11. Okay, now you will get 22. So 22 is divisible by 11 by 2 times. Therefore, the whole number 93,808 is divisible by 11. Okay, Kanna? Do you understand? That's all. These are the rules. So you will thorough the rules. Then factor tree. Find the prime factors. How we will find the prime factors? Do you know the prime factors? No, in 5.2. Prime factors. How we can do the prime factors? Suppose they will give a number 48. So you have to use the prime numbers only. So in the ones place ends with even number means definitely that number will be divisible by 2. So we will take by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again 4 even number, 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Again even number, 2 table. 6 2s are 12. 6 also even number, again 2. 3 times. So 3 is a prime number 3. So therefore the prime factorization of 48 is 1 2 3 4 4 2s 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, Kana? This is a prime factorization. Then how we can draw the make a factor tree? Make a factor tree. Factor tree. For example, you have to use the factor tree for number 52. So how you can split this number? 52 means 2 is a even number. So definitely we will divide this number by 2. So 2 table. So 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1. 6 2s are 12. So 2 26 are 52. Then again split by 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. That's all. Hereafter we cannot divide it because 13 also prime number, 2 also prime number. So this is the factor tree of 52. So 52 equal to 2 into 2 into 13. You have to write the prime numbers only. This is the factor tree. Okay, ma? Right. Then we go to chapter 6, LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF. So what is mean by LCM and HCF? Kana? LCM means it's a least common multiple. LCM means it's a least common multiple. In exercise 6.1 we are going to see HCF. What we are going to see in 6.1? HCF. HCF means, do you know? Highest common factor. What is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factor. Find the HCF of 32 and 72. 32 and 72. How we can find it? First you have to find for 32. 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 6 2s are 12. Again 2 table. 8 2s are 16. Again 2 table. 4 2s are 8. Again 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Then for 72. 2 table, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16, 2 table, 9 2s are 18, 3 table, 3 3s are 9. Then 32 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Is it or not? Likewise, 72 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then you have to circle the common numbers, pairs of numbers. Hereafter no pairs. Is it or not? So that's why you have to, the HCF equal to, for this pair you have to select 1 2. For this pair you can take 1 2. For this pair you can take 1 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 6. Therefore the HCF equal to 6. Okay, Kana? Right. Then how we can find the LCM? How we can find the LCM? That's all. In HCF they gave so many models, but this prime factorization method only important. Then in 6.2 they gave LCM sums. LCM means least common multiple. LCM means least common multiple. See, in this also prime factors, LCM by division method is the important. LCM by division method. Remaining method also you have to revise at your home. I will revise the important things only. Division method. See, first one 28, 42, 56. I am going to find the LCM by division method. Division method means you have to take all the numbers together and divide it by common number. So in all ones place we have even numbers. So I am taking by 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1 16, 8 2s are 16. Again I am taking by 2 table. 7 2s are 14, 21 we can't divide by 2, so bring down that number. Then 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. Again I am doing by 2 table. 7 is a prime number, 21, 7 2s are 14. Then now I am going to divide by 3 table. 7 3s are 21, 7. So then now I will take by 7 table. 1 7 is 7, 1 7 is 7, 1 7 is 7. LCM means you have to divide up to 1. Okay, that is you have to keep a keyword like that. A difference between LCM and HCF. Okay, இல்லனா நீ தப்பு பண்ணிடுவ. அதனால LCM வந்து இங்க 1 வர்ற வரைக்கும் டிவைட் பண்ணுன்ற மாதிரி மைண்ட்ல செட் பண்ணிக்கோ. Then you have to multiply these numbers to find the LCM. LCM equal to 1 2 3. 3 2s are 2 into 2 into 2. Then 3 into 7. 3 into 7. ஆனால் உன்னால் ஃபுல்லாக இப்படி ஃபுல்லாக மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண முடியலன்னா நீ சின்ன சின்ன நம்பரை உன்னால் முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, see 3 7s are 21. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 into 21. 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. Okay, so the LCM is 168. LCM is 168. Okay ma, எப்படி பண்ணணும்னு தெரிஞ்சுதா? இதே போல sums they will give in a statement also. See, if two numbers are 15 and 18, find the product of their LCM and HCF. That also you know. So product of two numbers only, LCM and HCF. So they will give one number. So you have to find the other number. Means what you will do? You multiply the LCM and HCF and decide what number they gave. You have to write like that. Then you find the other number. Means this side இந்த பக்கம் இருக்க நம்பர் அந்த பக்கம் போனால் என்ன ஆயிடும்? டிவிஷன் ஆகிடும். ஓகேவா? நம்மளோட போன வீடியோ கிளாஸில் அந்த சம்ஸ் நான் டீச் பண்ணியிருப்பேன் பாரு. இந்த ரிவிஷன்றதுனால ஃபுல் லென்த்தியாக போயிட்டுருக்கு வீடியோ. ஸோ எல்லா சம்ஸும் இதில் என்னால் ரிவைஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் சம்ஸ் மட்டும் நான் இதில் டீச் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். மற்றதெல்லாம் நம்ம பழைய வீடியோவை பார்த்துக்கோங்க நீங்கள். புரியுதா கண்ணா? ஸோ டூ யுவர் PA2 எக்ஸாம் வெல். ஓகே, எல்லாருமே சென்டம் எடுக்கணும். ஓகேம்மா, தேங்க்யூ.